Students, welcome once again to the Oval Academy of Education. Today we will start ICSE class 7th subject Math Unit 3 exercise 3B. Right, in the earlier videos you have seen exercise 3A. Now we will start 3B, which is related to division. Right, before we start the exercise, you should know what is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a fraction. Then what is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal? If two fractions are such that their product is 1, only 1, then each is called reciprocal of the other. For example, if we take two fractions 1 by 3 and 3 by 1, their product will be, if product means multiply, if we multiply them, their result is 1. Right, this is called reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a fraction. Now in the general sense, if we take two fractions a upon b, if we take two fractions a upon b and suppose we take a upon b and c upon d, right? If we want to divide them, we will write like this: a upon b divided c upon d. Right, now if we want to do the division process, then we will take multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of this fraction. First fraction will be written as it is, and reciprocal will this, right? So our answer will be a multiplied d upon b multiplied c. Right, in the numerical sense, if we want to divide 2 by 3, 4 by 5, right, 2 by 3, then multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of this 5 upon 4. Denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. That's it. 1 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 2, 5 1 ja 5, 3 2 ja 6. Our answer will be 5 upon 6. This is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, right, which we will utilize in the process of division. Now we are going to start our exercise 3B. Right, now first question in your math is find the reciprocal of, find the reciprocal of. ठीक है, right, first is 13 upon 7, so its reciprocal I have told you earlier, numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator, so this will its reciprocal. Second is easy. Third, see the third part, 217. This is, if there is no denominator given, its denominator is 1, so we will write it as 1 upon 217. right? Now fifth part, 3 1 by 3. This is a mixed fraction. We will make it into vulgar or simple. 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3. Now we will make reciprocal of this, that will 3 upon 10. Right. Now 6th, 7th, 8th you will do yourself at home. Right. Now we move on to question second, that is divide. Part first is 1 upon 2 divided 1 upon 3. I have told you earlier, 1 upon 2 reciprocal of second fraction. Simplify, it is not got simplified more than this, then multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Our answer will 3 upon 2. If we change it into mixed fraction, 2 will be here, 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 1. Right, this is our answer. Second is simple. Now we will move on to third part of second question, that is 1 divided 6 2 upon 3. Right, 1 divided, make it vulgar or simple, 3 6 ja 18 plus 2, 20 by 3. Put 1 yourself, 1 upon 1, make reciprocal 3 upon 20. So 3 1 ja 3, 20 upon 20. 3 upon 20 will be our answer. Part 4 is 13 1 by 3 divided 10. 13 ja 39, 39 plus 1, 40 upon 3 divided 1 upon 10. Reciprocal. Now no, sorry, multiply. Right, 10 upon 1 up, 4 1 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3. Now make mixed fraction, 1 1 3, 3 1 ja 3 plus 1, 4. Right. Now we will move on to part, say, sixth of question second. Right, that is 13 upon 46 divided to 1 by 11. 13 upon 46 divided 11 to the 22 plus 1, 23 upon 11. Right, 13 upon 46 multiplied 11 upon 23. Now there is no cutting, we will multiply it. 13 multiplied 11 upon 46 multiplied 23. Now 11 13 ja 33, 11 1 ja 11 plus 3, 14. Right, this, if you learn Vedic math, want to learn Vedic math, see our video in the competitive examination math. You can do it in a simple way. This is 23 here. Right, 3 6 ja 18. We will now move on to cross. 4 3 ja 12 plus 1, 13. 13 6 2 ja 12, 13 plus 2, 6 to the 12, 13 plus 12 25 2, 4 2 ja 8 plus 2 10. So here, right, denominator is bigger, numerator is smaller, so we can't make mixed fraction of it. Now remaining parts you can do at home. We will move on to question third. What fraction should 9 by 35 be multiplied to get 7 upon 15? What fraction? See the question, understand it. What fraction should 9 by 9 by 35 be multiplied to get 7 upon 15, right? The solution is here. Let we multiply 9 by 35 to x upon y to get 7 upon 15, right? Say 9 upon 35 multiplied x upon y to get, now x upon y will remain this side and this will go that side. 7 upon 15, when it will move this side, they become reciprocal. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator, right? So 5 3 ja 15, 5 7 ja 35, right? Now no more simplification. 7 7 ja 49, 9 3 ja 27, right? Now we can make mixed fraction of it. 27 1 ja 27, remaining are 49 minus 27 22, 22 will get, the fraction will be this 49 upon 27, right? 49 upon 37. This will our answer. We have made fixed fraction of it. Now we will move on to question number 4. Question number 4 is, by if the cost of 6 1 by 4 meter of a cloth is this, then find the cost of 1 meter of that cloth. Okay, right? Now solution is cost of 6 1 by 4 equal to 4 6 ja 24 plus 1 25. 4 meter of cloth equal to 1421 rupees. 1421 7 by 8. Then find the, now if we do the rough work here, 1421 multiplied by 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 1 8 4 ja 32 plus 1 33, 8 1 ja 8 plus 3 11 plus 7 7 plus 8 15, 6 plus 1 7, 1 1 3. So this is 1137 5 upon 8 rupees. Now then find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Cost of 1 meter of cloth, that means 11375 upon 8. Now students, more cloth more cost, less cloth less cost. For less we will do division, 25 by 4. For more we do multiplication, for less we do division. Division is 11375 upon 8 multiplied reciprocal 4 upon 25. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 2. This is carrying 5, this is carrying 5. Now so they can be divided. Let's see how. 11375 we want to divide it, 25, 4 the 100, 3 25 6 ja 150, 5 it will go on 5, 25 5 ja 125. Here 12 will remain. Now 5 25 5 ja 20. So that means this will go on 455. So answer is 455 upon 2. If we will make its mixed fraction, then 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 1 15, 2 7 ja 14, and here will 1, right? So this is our answer will be rupees 2271 upon 2. This would be our answer, right? Write down it carefully. Now we will move on to the next question, that is question number 5. Solution. He is saying cost of how many pieces of length 3 5 by 7 meter each can be cut from a wallpaper of 52 meter long. Okay, now you can learn it, you can understand it by saying wallpaper is 52 meter long. Each piece of 3 5 by 7 is to be cut from it. How many pieces, right? Now total length of wallpaper is equal to 52 meter. Now length of each piece equal to 3 5 by 7 meter, right? 7 3 ja 21 plus 5 26 by 7 meter. Therefore number of pieces equal to total length has to be divided with the length of each piece, right? Now 52 upon 1 multiplied reciprocal 7 upon 26, 26 1 ja 26, 2 ja 52, that means total number of pieces would be 14, right? Now we will move on to question 6. A logwood of 6 by 7 meter in length was cut into 11 pieces. Thus vice versa of this question, what is the length of each piece? Right now, solution. Now total length and number of pieces is given here. Total length of log wood equal to 6 by 7 meter equal to 6 7 ja 7 6 ja 42 plus 2 44 by 7 meter. Total number of pieces 11. Okay, therefore length of each piece, that means 44 by 7 total length divided by 11, that means 44 by 7 multiplied 1 upon 11 reciprocal 11 1 ja 11, 11 4 ja 44 by 7 meter. Therefore length of each piece would be 4 by 7 meter. This question is vice versa or reciprocal of this. Now we will move on to question number 7. Now we will move on to question number 7. That is, a car covers 43 1 by 8 kilometer. That is mixed fraction, simple fraction. Change it into simple fraction. Liter of petrol, that much of kilometer. 1 liter more petrol, more mileage, more kilometers. Less petrol, less kilometer. For less we have to divide it. After dividing, our result will be this, right? Now we will move on to question number 8. Question number 8 is, the area of a rectangular plot of land is this and breadth is this. Find its length. Area of rectangular plot is equal to 8174 upon 5 square meter, right? Equal to, we will make it simple, 17 5 ja 85 and 817 multiplied by 5 plus 4 89. This will become 4089 upon 5 square meter. ठीक है. Its breadth rectangular plot is 21 3 by 4 meter. 21 4 ja 84 plus 3 87. So area is, therefore area is equal to length into breadth. Area is given here 4089 upon 5 Length we have to find, breadth is 87 upon 4. Therefore length we will keep here, and this will become 48 divided 87 upon 4, 4089 upon 5 multiplied 4 upon 87. Right, now we want to cut it, make it simple. How we will do this? Divide this 84089, this could be cut with 3, 29 3 ja 87, 3 13, 1 3 6 ja 3 3 ja. Now it will go no more. We can rub it here and do the remaining portion above. Now equation is 1363 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 29. Now can it go furthermore? 1363 with 29, 29 5 ja 145, 29 4 ja 6, 9 4 ja 6, 4 2 ja 8 plus 3 11. Right, 203. This will go on 7, 203, 47, sorry 47, 47 4 ja 4 7 ja 28, 4 4 ja 16 plus 2 18 upon 5. This will become 3 7 3 upon 5 meter. This would be our answer. This was question number 8. Now we will move on to question number 9. Question number 9 is just like question 8. That would be your question 9 homework. You can do it at home just like question number 8. Question number 10. In question, a bundle of 500 sheets of paper has net weight of 2 3 by 10 kg. Find the weight of one sheet of paper. Right, now we will write it as weight of 500 sheets. Weight of 500 sheets of paper to 3 by 10 kg. 10 to the 20, 23 by 10 kg. Right, now weight of one sheet of paper. More sheets more weight, less sheets less weight. That means we have to divide it. Right, 23 by 10 multiplied 1 upon 500. Right, now 23 1 जा 23, 5000 kg. Numerator is big, denominator is small, denominator is big, hence it can't be changed into mixed fractions. Right? Now question number 11th is also your homework. Simple, you can do it at home. Question number 12. Product of two fractions is this. If one of them is this, find the other. Let the other fraction be equal to x upon y. ठीक है, one of the fractions is given as a 1 by 15. 15 3 जा 45 plus 1 46 upon 15. ठीक है, their product is 8 7 upon 25. 25 8 ja 200 plus 7 207 upon 25. Therefore question is this: x upon y multiplied 46 upon 15, we will get 2025. Question has become this. Now we will find value of x upon y. This will take this side, 207 upon 25 multiplied, this will go up, right? 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15. Now we have to find see what common table they can do. 23 2 ja 23 9 ja, right? 9 3 ja 27 upon 10, right? 2 7 upon 10 would be our final answer, right? So students, this was our exercise 3b. Each question has been solved here. You can do your homework easily during this lockdown period without any help. If you understand this video, you can share it to other companions so that they would also be got benefited by you. So if you like our video, share it, like it, and make more and more subscriptions so that many and many may get help, right? Thanks. Till the next video, it's goodbye.